How to enable or disable use route sharing policy for AirPlay testing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Developer. If you do not have Developer, you can go into Privacy and Security. Then we go down to the bottom, then tap on Developer Mode. In here, make sure it is turned on. Then we go back into Settings, then tap on Developer. Next, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Use Route Sharing Policy. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here it says that when turned on, apps identifying as long form content apps will not use the system route when playing. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.